Clear the bay, we need the next load in.
Copy that, moving now. Set it down easy.
As the garlic cascades down the lanes, the scanners grade each bulb, allowing the robotic arms to sort them flawlessly. Check the pressure on nozzle array 3.
Acknowledged. Adjusting now.
Check the gauge on line 3. Reading steady, boss. Everything looks good here.
The skins travel through the pipelines to the compression bins, where robotic compactors crush the waste into dense blocks.
Everything looks good here. The spray bars are synchronized.
Confirmed. The ultrasonic emitters are stable.
We're clear on the left side. Pressure looks stable. Maintain speed.
Zone 3 stability holding at 180.
Acknowledged. Maintaining flow rate.
We have a clog on line 3.
Adjusting the flow rate now. Keep an eye on the stabilization deck. Inside the sealed refinement chamber, check the pressure on separator 3.
Adjusting airflow now. Looks stable.
Digital sensors ensure the temperature and humidity remain absolutely precise, preserving the delicate flavor profile of the garlic powder.
Here at the magnetic and metal detection line, garlic powder is meticulously scanned for contaminants.
on line 3 is dropping slightly.
Noted. I'll flag maintenance to check the alignment.
That's it, he's locked in. All right, send the next one down aisle 3.
Derecho, derecho. Cuidado con la izquierda. Alto, ahí está bien. Despacio.
This weather pattern is impacting the transatlantic lane.
I see it. Let's divert traffic south until the front passes.
Set it down easy on the conveyor.
Clear. Make sure the next truck is ready at Bay 4.
That's all set.
Here you go. Thank you for shopping with us.
All right, who is next in line over here?
The screen will ask you a couple of questions, then you're all set.
Perfect, thanks. Have a nice day.
Zone 2 airflow levels are unstable. Increase turbine speed by 5%.
Acknowledged. Increasing velocity now.
I'm adjusting the dial now to compensate for the fluctuation. We should stabilize in 10 seconds.
Understood.
Forklift 7, divert to Bay 4. Priority shipment on the left conveyor. We have a bottleneck at Sector 3.
Rerouting the garlic pallets now, ETA 5 minutes.
Confirmed, Bay 7, bringing down the 40-foot now.
Starboard side is clear, continue descent.
Reroute the Asia-Pacific shipment to the northern corridor.
Confirmed. Updating the manifest now.
We are clear for takeoff. Carry on.
Check the routing for the garlic powder pallets on level 5.
Looks clear. Optimizing the flow now.
We need that truck loaded in the next 10 minutes. Keep the flow going.
Scan the pallet. Verify the count.
35 cartons of garlic powder confirmed.
Moved over Seoul. Firing now. Yes, chef. Heard. Pick up window 2.
This is absolutely perfect.
Really? Let me taste it.
Me too, me too.
That's enough garlic powder, sweetie. Now press the dough like this, gently with your palms.
The allicin content here is significantly lower than the industry standard shown on the chart.
The secret ingredient to elevate your culinary creations.
This delay at the canal is unacceptable. We are looking at a 20% hit to throughput if we don't resolve this in the next hour.
The energy consumption metrics are holding steady at 2%.
Excellent. The yield from this batch is significantly higher.
For millennia, garlic has been a staple, harvested by hand under the blazing sun.
First order established this. If we route the polymer gun sequence through the main chamber,
we optimize the flow rate, but we must ensure.
From the fields of China to the markets of Europe, the global appetite for garlic continues to grow, impacting economies worldwide. This is allicin, the primary compound responsible for the pungent aroma of garlic. As it breaks down, it releases these sulfur molecules into the air.
The allicin compound is showing unprecedented activity against the markers.
We could be looking at a major development here.
The biosynthesis of allicin is fascinating. When we look at the molecular structure, particularly the sulfur center,
to good food and great friends. Cheers, everyone.
We love the garlic, we dance all night.
It's incredible how they synthesize the nutrients now.
And it tastes even better every time.
nutrient levels on this one.
The AR says it's almost ready for harvest.
This is so much better than reading a book.